A lot of smartphones are expected to come with flagship chipset, the Snapdragon 855, like the Galaxy S10, Google Pixel 4 and OnePlus 7 or the LG G8 and plenty of others. But most of these will be priced at about 40,000 rupees, nearly that or even more. But in this video, we're going to talk about a Redmi smartphone that is going to have a Snapdragon 855 chip, but a price tag of about 26,000 rupees. You're watching India Today Tech. I'm Rahul Sethi. Let's begin. So Xiaomi has already separated the Redmi brand, and the first budget smartphone it launched in China was the Redmi Note 7, and this phone came out with a 48 megapixel camera. The phone also had an all-glass design, which is one of the first few phones to have this kind of look and feel in that price segment. But the company CEO said that this is not going to be the flagship phone from the series. There's going to be another phone that will run the Snapdragon 855. Now we've seen that most companies use a mid-range chipset in this price segment, be it the Vivo V11 Pro or the Nokia 8.1 and plenty of others. But there was Poco F1 that used a Snapdragon 845. The new Redmi phone is going to be a little different from the Poco F1. Now what the company aims to do is keep the Poco F1 as a gaming smartphone that will also have features like liquid cooling and separate the Redmi brand, and the major difference between the two will be of design. The Poco F1 comes with a full plastic body and not much attention is paid to the looks of the phone. The Redmi phone will be a little different in the fact that it may use a glass design and will be much more premium looking. This could be very similar to the Asus Zenfone 5G that we saw last year that had all premium top-end specs, but its build quality and looks were also quite premium. Now what the company is said to be doing for cost cutting is that it will not include 5G capability on this phone, and since in India 5G is set to take off only after 2020, this will be a smartphone majorly meant for India. This means that Xiaomi will have two sub-brands catering to a very different audience but in a very similar price segment. The Xiaomi Poco could have a price tag of about 20 to 25,000 rupees, and this premium mid-range Xiaomi Redmi phone will also have a similar price tag of about 25 to 30,000 rupees. Xiaomi is looking to aggressively price its Redmi smartphones, the Redmi Note 7 being the recent example. This is a smart yet surprising move from a company in a smartphone domain where every other company is looking to increase prices of their flagship phones. I mean, after we saw the launch of iPhone XS, most of the companies that are coming out with their flagship phones have slightly increased the prices compared to their predecessors. But it is interesting to note that Xiaomi did not decrease the prices of its flagship phones in the Mi series like the Mi Mix 3. It's rather creating a separate brand to launch more economical smartphones. Do you think there is a catch? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel to get latest videos on technology, smartphones and other gadgets like this. Thank you for watching.